So did you teach them how to make this?
Yes, I did. He helped me tweak some things to fit into the Java standard.
Okay.
Yeah. It was very much help.
So this is my favorite. This is a tie.
So second favorite is a tie.
Yeah, second favorite is a tie.
Okay. I think on a Monday I pick the salad.
Okay.
Yeah. On the weekend I'm going to eat.
I haven't vlogged in a while, so this feels a bit different. Back in the day when I started vlogging, we were using a shotgun mic, or YouTubers were using shotgun mics, until they developed these wireless mics, which has made it easier for vlogging. So we've come a long way. I haven't vlogged in a while, but I have been active on YouTube. Nimekuwa active. I've been making videos in a different format. I've been doing a podcast, Game Drive podcast, in Nairobi National Park. I have one episode that I haven't done in Nairobi National Park. I have done it in Mount Kenya Wildlife Conservancy, but it has been good. I've been doing that for 2 years, and I remember, I think the last time I vlogged was 3 years ago. And a few months ago, I started thinking about doing vlogs again. Yeah, I miss vlogging. 5-minute videos that are just fun, recording my day or activity that I'm doing. Yeah, I miss that kind of storytelling. So what am I vlogging today? If you remember, the first episode that I did this year, of my podcast, Chef David. He is the Java House Africa guest chef, which is a big thing. Java is one of the biggest restaurants that we have in East Africa, and I think they've done one of the best things that I've seen.
Hey guys, my name is David Kinyanjui and I'll be a guest chef for this month. My journey as a chef began when I was 15 or 16. I was going out to eat a lot. Then I started cooking when I was about 17. This was all to recreate recipes that I've eaten from out. And that's when it clocked that I love doing this.
Acha tufike Galeria and support Dave and see what he has added to the Java menu. Yeah. In the meantime, before I get there, I could play a bit of this discussion we had earlier this year on my podcast. If you head over to my YouTube channel under the Game Drive playlist, you'll find the episode I did with David Kinyanjui in June, uploaded in July. How about collaborating with the restaurants, like work in a restaurant kitchen for like a week? Like, that's content.
I would, but okay, as what, for fun?
For video content, so you collaborate with them. So for example, let's
so I work
say,
at Java for a week.
Yes, in the kitchen. So kind of see how they need their menu, how they get out their food, how they prep their meals.
I've never thought of that, by the way, but that's a very good idea.
That way, both of you benefit.
Yeah, and then I'd be learning, because
you
never stop learning and everyone has something to teach you.
And because your goal is to eventually have a restaurant.
Yeah,
if you do a few restaurants like that, then you will know
exactly. Because you can't open a restaurant without working in one, or knowing the nitty-gritties of the restaurant. You can't start a business and you've never worked in a restaurant. You need like some experience.
You know, restaurants are one of those jobs that they end quickly.
Yeah, the profit margin is the least.
Funny thing is, when you filmed this, none of us imagined what would happen next. 2 months later, Java reached out to Dave to be a guest chef for the month of October. Dave!
I'm good, how are you? Good, man.
You well? This is your menu. Yeah. Let me break down Chef David's October menu. Start your day right with the breakfast combos. Next up, a kick of heat, pineapple chili wings, and a grilled chicken and pineapple salad for a healthy, refreshing twist. And if you like comfort food, a creamy chicken pasta and a juicy steak and cheese sandwich. That is really good. I promise you I tried it. So we are going to try 4 out of 6 of these meals. Chicken pasta, grilled chicken and pineapple salad, steak and cheese sandwich, and pineapple chili wings. Sasa, this is how I'm picturing your restaurant career coming up.
Maybe, I'm not reluctant now.
So did you teach them how to make this?
Yes, I did. Not them, but I worked with this chef here. This very talented chef, it's called Chef.
Okay.
Yeah, so
he works in which Java? All of them?
The head branch, ABC.
ABC, okay. So you taught him how to make it,
Yes.
and then how did he pass it? How did he pass it on to other?
So I think he does it on a Zoom call.
With other chefs. So it's like,
So
okay, let me
he
teach you.
conducts a training, at least, I don't know how many times, but a couple of times before now the new month comes. Once the month launches, all the chefs are aware of the menu and they have the recipe. Then he does another training on the 5th or so, and then later on in the 10th.
Do you have footage of you teaching him?
I'm being teaching. I have
you-
BTS.
BTS of,
Yes.
of you teaching
Yeah,
him?
we're in the kitchen working together.
Nice.
So he helped me tweak some things to fit into the Java standard.
Okay.
Yeah, it was very much help. Oh, it's here already. Hold on, let me get a video.
It's good.
It's good.
It's really good.
What do you taste?
I'm so glad I didn't eat today. It's really good. I try something else?
Yes, now try the salad. Feel free to pour dressing, but minimally, you don't want it to soak up everything.
And this is a really good, healthy meal to have. So this is a
Exactly.
healthy option, this is a carb option, a fast food option.
I think they all help. There's protein here. Protein. Then now you'll tell me your favorite out of the 3.
Okay. Honestly, this is now my favorite.
Oh no, you reached the pasta already. Okay, let's move to the sandwich.
I think because of the pineapple. So this this is so hard.
Okay. No, bro, you need to tell me now.
Okay. They're all really good.
Okay.
Tuanze hapo. First and foremost. First and foremost, they're all really good. This is so hard. Okay. So this is my favorite.
Okay.
This is a tie.
So second favorite is a tie.
Yeah, second favorite is a tie.
Okay.
Because I can see myself enjoying, honestly, even if I'm going to finish, I'm going to pack and I'm going to carry this food. So I'm going to pack and carry this food.
No problem, man.
This is really good.
Okay.
Genuinely, this is really good.
So most people online are enjoying this sandwich. Actually, these are people's favorites. And the breakfast option.
This is good.
How's the flavor in the sandwich?
It's good, and then it has a bit of chili, which I like. Right? And it's not too much. It's enough.
They've done it just as it should be.
And then it doesn't feel like they have overdone anything. It's just right.
So it's my turn to taste now and see how they've done. I'll start with the pasta. This is tad too much pasta.
Yeah. Okay. It's good.
Bro, it's perfect, yeah.
What can you
My
taste?
recipe is good. I'll give overhead information.
Okay.
The onions, the garlic,
Okay.
and I balance a sweet and umami flavoring in this pasta, and I can taste all of them.
Okay.
I added carrots for texture and bell pepper, and then I garnished it with sugar snapes and green onion. It is very good. It's perfect. I didn't have a bite of the chicken. Let me try it. It's tender, it's not overcooked. Just how we made it. Now let's go to your favorite.
Yeah, right, the salad.
Did you even put the dressing?
Yeah,
You
I
did?
did. I did.
Okay. I won't put it.
You can see why. It's better than.
It's so fresh and light.
Yeah. Yeah, the vegetables are very fresh.
Bro, you see why it's hard when someone asks me to pick a favorite? I can't. Okay. Let me try this other one.
Have the sandwich.
We already finished that first half.
Okay.
I'll cut it into two.
Okay.
Okay. That's very good. It's perfect. Okay, I can't pick a favorite though.
See how difficult it is. So, what?
No,
If you had to
the
pick
crazy
one?
thing is that I'm so familiar with all these flavors because I've done it a couple of times from my own kitchen, and then now I'm tasting them on travel days. Okay, I'm done sharing. If I was to pick one,
Yes.
for when? I think on a Monday I'd pick the salad.
Okay.
Yeah. On the weekend I'm going to eat the steak and cheese.
Okay.
On a Friday I'll have the pasta.
Okay.
If it's just one dish,
Yeah, you made me pick.
okay, it would be unfair if I don't answer. The sandwich.
So we kept eating, story after story, and just when we thought we were done, boom! The fourth meal shows up. Pineapple chili wings. Alright,
Hey,
so
Taste
let's try
test
this.
now. You're trying it first, man. You're my guest.
Okay, let me try. What's different?
So this is a pineapple chili wings.
Ah,
Subtle pineapple.
Yeah.
Has pineapple juice, ketchup, and a sauce and some chili. What do you think of them?
it's good. I've never had pineapple in wings.
Let me try. So when you're combining now like flavors like mango, pineapple, or anything that has sweet, and then you're gonna add something else that is sweet, you need to balance it really well. So when you're having this, it's not too sweet.
Okay.
So if I'm using pineapple juice and ketchup, I have to use them equal parts.
Okay.
So it's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet, yeah. And this is it.
Yeah.
It's not too
just
sweet.
finding the balance. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's just not sugar.
And then you can taste the taste, but it's not
Subtle.
Yeah,
Very subtle.
yeah,
Because
it's very subtle.
if you put more pineapple, it's gonna be too sugary.
Yeah.
You like it? I love it, bro. It's really good. Uko sawa kabisa. Oh, yeah. Sasa.
As we were wrapping up, the head chef of Java Galleria passed by our table. He had just finished his shift. He gave Chef Kinyanjui a big thumbs up for the menu and said, "By the way, those sandwiches, the croissant breakfast and the steak and cheese, they're moving faster than we can make them." Safe to say, the people had spoken. Anyway, that's it for the vlog. I had so much fun. Thank you so much, Dave, for hosting me at Java Galleria to enjoy your menu. I enjoyed every meal that we had. It was really hard for me to choose. Thank you. And again, thank you, Java, for giving Dave this opportunity. We spoke about it on the podcast, and now it has come to reality. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much. Till next time, or next vlog, or next episode of the Game Drive podcast. Keep watching it.